In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a discount coupon code on SEO Writing AI, step by step. Hi, I'm Shane. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips and updates. If you're struggling with how to save money on powerful AI writing tools, this video walks you through exactly what you need to do so you can get started with SEO Writing AI and unlock a special discount. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do when using SEO Writing AI is to go to their website, SEOwriting.ai. Next, choose the plan that fits your needs and click on it to start the sign-up or purchase process. On the checkout page, you'll see a field to enter a coupon or promo code. Type in PROSUN25 and click Apply. You'll instantly see your 25% discount applied to your order. Once you've confirmed the discount, just complete the payment process and you're all set. There you have it. In just a few steps, you can start using SEO Writing AI at a discounted price. If you don't already have SEO Writing AI, there's a link in the description to get started. Use code PROSUN25 at checkout to claim your discount. And you're all set. There you have it.